Hello guys, and welcome to my new video. In this video I'm going to present you my simple Python program named Zippy. It's program for backupping. The GitHub link will be down in the description. This program is Windows OS compatible. It's a simple program which can fast backup and archive all your important images and documents. And the requirements for this app is Python installed, so go to our official Python website and download and install the Python if you don't have already. And how it works, it searches for images and documents through your most important directories like downloads, desktop, documents, pictures, and then copies them to a backup folder on the desktop, and then it archives to a zip file so you can save your backup on USB, cloud, etc. So let me just enable the internet connection. So there you can check, because this is an open source, you can check my source code here to check for each line of code if you're familiar with Python. So that's it. It's not very long code. So next I have this Python program on my desktop, as you can see here. So the first thing we need to do is run command prompt as administrator. That's a very important step, because if you don't run it as administrator, it won't work. So let's navigate to desktop. Just a second. Okay, and let's run our app. Type Python and the name of our file with the extension of PI. So as you can see, the program is running. It's searching for every image and document on our storage, and then it successfully created a backup on the desktop. As you can see, the total size is 205 megabytes, and it also have created a zip file. As you can see, those are the two files. So in our directory we have two folders, documents and images, all the documents from my computer, and all the important images as well from my computer. And then we got log.txt. In this log we can check every file which is copied in this backup. And there we go. We have created a backup of our important images and documents in a matter of seconds, and got that archived as well, so we can copy this file to our USB drive or cloud or anything else, and we can save our important files just as that. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and see you in the next video.